Few crops feed billions of people. However, during their growth process, weeds follow like shadows, continuously competing for nutrients, water, and light, severely threatening yield and quality. Traditional manual and mechanical weeding methods, when facing large-scale farmland, often appear inefficient, costly, and difficult to achieve precise, uniform application. In recent years, with the rapid development of intelligent technology, plant protection drone aerial weeding technology has emerged and is gradually becoming a cutting-edge force in rice field weed management with its advantages of high efficiency, precision, labor saving, and safety. Advantages and value of aerial weeding. Aerial weeding, utilizing plant protection drones for herbicide spraying operations, has its core value in solving the pain points of traditional weeding methods. Plant protection drones have single unit daily operation capacity of 300 to 500 mil, dozens of times that of manual spraying, greatly alleviating labor shortage pressure during busy farming seasons, ensuring timely prevention and control. Plant protection drones equipped with high-precision RTK positioning systems, intelligent terrain following, and obstacle avoidance systems, combined with variable spraying technology, can achieve centimeter-level positioning flight, ensuring uniform and precise spray liquid application to target weed areas, significantly reducing spray drift and waste, saving 20% to 30% of pesticides, reducing environmental pollution risks. 3. Aerial weeding is not limited by terrain. Crop height limitations can flexibly operate in fields where traditional machinery and manual labor have difficulty entering. Operators stay away from application areas, maximally avoiding direct human contact with pesticides, ensuring operator health and safety. Plant protection drones use ultra-low volume or low-volume spraying technology, typically only 1 to 2 liters per mil application, significantly conserving water resources, reducing burden on soil and water bodies. Key points for implementing aerial weeding technology. To fully leverage advantages of aerial weeding, need to precisely grasp the following core elements. 1. Pre-operation field surveys required or using drone aerial photography to identify weed species, distribution, density, and occurrence centers, clarifying key prevention and control areas, combined with field historical records, understanding dominant weed flora, using drones for high-precision aerial surveys, generating high-definition field maps, and three-dimensional digital elevation models, providing foundation for precise route planning and terrain following flight. 2. Select herbicides registered for rice paddies and suitable for aerial application. Prioritize agents with strong systemic action and rapid effects, insensitive to droplet size and evaporation. Formulations with good settling properties, or formulations clearly labeled for aerial application or aviation application use. If herbicides need tank mixing, must strictly follow pesticide mixing principles, avoiding precipitation, flocculation, stratification, etc. Prioritize mature tank mix solutions. Mix on-site or use combination herbicides. Best to add aerial application-specific adjuvants can significantly reduce droplet drift, delay evaporation, promote spray liquid wetting, spreading, and adhesion on weed surfaces, improving deposition rate and efficacy. Use clean neutral water with pH 6.5 to 7. Avoid using turbid, high mineral, hard water, affecting agent dissolution and stability. 3. Select appropriate load capacity and type of plant protection drone according to field, size, and terrain. Generally, multi-rotor, fixed wing, suitable for ultra-large playing areas. Ensure equipment in good condition. Nozzles unobstructed. Select appropriate nozzles and pressure. Control droplet size in 100 to 200 micrometer range. Too large easily causes drift and uneven distribution. Too small evaporates too quickly. Drone flight height generally 1.5 to 3 meters above crop canopy, can adjust according to crop height and wind force, ensuring uniform droplet deposition within effective spray width. Flight speed typically 4 to 6 meters per second. Excessive speed causes insufficient droplet deposition and uneven distribution. Precisely set spray width according to drone model height and wind speed, typically 4 to 8 meters. Set 30% to 50% flight path overlap rate, ensuring full coverage without omissions. Application rate per mil determined comprehensively according to herbicide. Recommended dosage, weed age, and flora adjuvant effects, typically 1.0 to 2.0 liters per mil. 4. Select weather without rain, light wind, moderate temperature, and low transpiration for operations. Avoid high temperature, strong wind before rainfall or immediately after rain application. Operators must hold certificates, strictly execute according to planned routes, and set parameters. Pre-operation calibration required. During operation, closely monitor equipment status, spray liquid remaining, flight trajectory, and weather changes. Where conditions permit, electronic fences can be established. Pay attention to sensitive areas like water sources, mulberry gardens, vegetable plots, apiaries, etc. Reserve sufficient safety buffer zones or establish isolation belts. Strictly observe no-fly zone regulations. 5. After application, 3 to 7 days, 10 to 15 days, regularly observe weed poisoning reactions and mortality. Evaluate control efficacy. Record abnormal situations. Strictly observe safe intervals specified on herbicide labels used, ensuring pesticide residues meet national standards, guaranteeing agricultural product quality and safety. After operations, thoroughly clean spray tanks, pipelines, nozzles, preventing agents residues from corroding equipment or causing subsequent phytotoxicity. Plant protection drone aerial weeding technology represents the development direction of intelligent, precise, and green weed control. It is not only a tool for liberating labor and improving operation efficiency, but also a key measure for achieving pesticide reduction and efficiency enhancement, ensuring agricultural product quality and safety and agricultural ecological environment safety. Successful application of aerial weeding must center on precision, precisely identifying weed conditions, precisely selecting and formulating agents, precisely setting flight parameters, precisely executing operation standards. Let us actively embrace this transformative technology, scientifically and steadily integrate it into green agricultural production systems, contributing technological strengths to consolidating national food security foundations and promoting high-quality, sustainable agricultural development.